How to set status on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to set your status on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and now go to settings, click on your profile and now uh, click here, set status. Now all you need to do is to choose if you click this one, you will not appear online, but you will have full access to all Discord. Anyway, let's choose this one. This one will disable all notifications. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.